I'm not gonna force feed the machine to give me a jam, but anytime that you have a jam, it's going to show you where the jam is. If you're doing a multi-page run and we're pulling out of either one of the bottom two trays, the access to it is here and here. So you're gonna have a piece of paper lying there, and there's little green buttons here that you can turn, or it is going to be caught in the fuser, and with humidity, the piece of paper will be right in this point here, which you can get to, but just remember this is hot. At peak heat, it is 220 degrees. So you have little, like here, that gets the paper out. And if you cannot reach the piece of paper, please call us to come out and remove it. Because if you put a pair of scissors in the machine and damage the fuser, that is not covered under a service warranty.